Good afternoon, my name is Paul Kling, Vice President of Sales for Schneider Electric Motion USA. And we're here to talk about our Lexium MDrive family of products and our more recent release, which includes M12 connectors and IP-rated product. As you can see here, what we're looking at is our Lexium MDrive family of products, which includes an integrated solution, which is motor drive control, I/O and communications built in. We've recently enhanced this product family for those medium industrial marketplaces to include, as you can see here, a more robust industrial connector version, which are 3 M12 connectors that give you access to power, communications, and I/O. This really allows us to penetrate many of those industrial marketplaces that are looking for that more robust connection options. With that solution, we're able to port over to this demo that you see over here, which gives us really some strong IP-rated solutions. Again, in this type of marketplace, IP54 and IP65 are in high demand. So the industrial connector solution allows us to port over towards this IP-rated product, which, as you can see, has water environment that is being shown here. And this really allows us to solve those types of applications that range anywhere from dust-only applications to water-type applications. So as part of the M12 industrial connector versions, what we offer it is in two sizes right now, which is our NEMA 34 as well as our NEMA 23 size integrated product, or Lexium MDrive. And we also are offering this in many different control options. We have both the serial version, so the RS422, 485, right up through our network options, which include Ethernet, Modbus TCP, the very popular Ethernet IP protocol, as well as Profinet. So regardless of what type of communication protocol you're looking at, these industrial connector versions are offered across that range that we have. So again, we're really excited to present these new releases, and for more information, you can find information on our website. Thank you.